Parle, Mumbai, and today is 19 December 2023. मुझे 15-16 साल से बहुत सारा ब्लीडिंग था, मतलब 7 months continuous bleeding.
So she's saying that since lot of years she's had bleeding for 6 to 7 months.
16 years.
15 to 16 years. She's had continuous 6 to 7 months bleeding when bleeding happens.
Yeah, and every time bleeding is too much bleeding. I have cotton clothes put every time I have put. मुझे वो बाहर के पैड बिल्कुल नहीं चलते थे. 15 मतलब घर के कपड़े मोटे मोटे और बड़ी बड़ी सेफ्टी पिन लगानी होती थी तो ही मैं घर से बाहर निकल पाती. 2 डज़न सेफ्टी पिन मेरी लेगिंग्स में, मेरे निकर में लगन, और घर पे जहाँ बैठूँ ना वहाँ पे पूरा ब्लीडिंग बाहर आता था. इतना सारा ब्लीडिंग था.
So she could not use sanitary pads as it was not compulsory. She used to use cloth, home cloth. So she had to make big layers and attach it in such a way with 20 safety pins, which was so uncomfortable. Wherever she used to sit, it was to every bed or every worksheet used to stain down.
My God! And you're the daughter.
Yeah, I'm the daughter.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Safety pins to make it thicker so you can absorb the blood.
Yeah, basically even if that position goes up and down, so then again it's the same.
Wow! So she was making her own sanitary pad.
Her own sanitary pad with the same.
मेरा वो इतना वो कपड़ा के वजन से मेरा इलास्टिक जो है ना वो पूरा हर सेकंड डे लूज हो जाता था. इतना वो ब्लीडिंग ही इतना फ्लो था. बिग क्लोट्स एंड नो मेडिसिन. कोई भी मेडिसिन मुझे काम नहीं करती थी. मतलब एक बार अगर मैंने आयुर्वेद किया तो वो एक बार काम किया, लेकिन जब वापस आया ब्लीडिंग तो वो सेम दवाई नहीं करेगी. मैंने होम्योपैथी किया, एक बार उससे बंद हो गया, लेकिन सेकंड टाइम वो भी नहीं. कोई भी
And the gynec also said, so she tried homeopathic, ayurvedic, but no, there was no solution. And her gynec also said it's not menopause. So a lot of people think it is menopause. It was not even menopause. So there was no reason why this was happening. No cyst also, because we thought that probably it's a cyst, but there was no cyst also.
हाँ, मतलब कोई कारण ही नहीं था कि ब्लीडिंग क्यों हो रहा है. सिस्ट नहीं थी, वो थिकनेस भी नहीं थी, वॉल थिकनेस भी नहीं थी यूट्रस का, लेकिन ब्लीडिंग 7 months और 15 सालों से. बिफोर लॉकडाउन शिवा सर ने मुझे वो सेंस किया तो उन्होंने बोला काली माँ के मंदिर से कोड आ रही है. मैं वहाँ पे वो मंदिर में कभी भी नहीं गई थी, लेकिन मैं साल में 3-4 बार ही वो साइड जाती थी. तो वहाँ पे काली माता का मंदिर है, वहाँ से वो नेगेटिव एनर्जी या जो भी है वो आ रहा था.
So she's saying that she met Shiva sir and before COVID, and Shiva sir sensed that there's an energy coming from Kali Mata Mandir, where she used to not even go directly. She used to just pass by that mandir, and from that also she catch that, and this was leading to her heavy flow. So then what she did?
हाँ, and one thing, I lived. मैं जब भी जू में आई ना उसके 1-2 साल के बाद ही ये हुआ. और ये जो काली माता का मंदिर है ना वो भी यही एरिया में, जू के मेरे घर के पीछे बैक साइड में है. मतलब मैं जू में आई.
So where we used to stay before somewhere else, and where now we live in Juhu, so there only in our vicinity there is a Kali Mata. Before there was no Kali Mata ka mandir there, and there was no bleeding also before.
Yeah. Now शिवा सर ने वो रिमूव किया नेगेटिव एनर्जी, और उसके बाद मेरा ब्लीडिंग स्टॉप हो गया. मुझे इतना रिलीफ मिल गया कि अभी वो कितना 3 से 4 साल हो गए, लेकिन बिल्कुल भी ब्लीडिंग नहीं है. और मैं ऑपरेशन के लिए पहले जाती थी, डॉक्टर मुझे मना करते थे कि कोई तुझे नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं करवाना है, रीज़न भी. लेकिन मैं ऐसे ही सफ़र कर रही थी 7 months ब्लीडिंग. किसे बताया जाए. आई थैंक यू शिवा सर वेरी मच, थैंक यू PVH, थैंक यू वेरी मच कि मुझे इतना ये ब्लीडिंग में से बाहर निकाला. सच वे थैंक यू वेरी मच शिवा सर. थैंक यू बोरोबदूर एंजल्स. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
So she's saying that when Shiva sir removed all the black magic, white magic, all the energies, So after that, the bleeding slowly, gradually descended, and now she does not have bleeding. And even if she has, it is very low, but it is normal, but not like what it used to be, or it is like that. But what the 7 months period does not happen now. Normally, whatever her periods are, that it is there. And also,
Thank you very much.
and thank you so much, Siva sir.
Thank you, madam. Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
I want to say this. We want to help every woman in the world, madam.
Yes, yes, sir.
Irrespective of where you are from.
And this was very helpful to her, because she used to go to the doctor, and there was one amazing thing, or I don't know what it was. Whenever she used to go to the doctor, there was to be the doctor did not have anything to catch. So how to treat also, every time she used to think I will go for a surgery, but it never ended up on the surgery bed also. So it was that the divine path was only going to help her to, not
Most part, they will just remove all the uterus.
Yeah. So basically, it was so much that
Right.
the divine only had to help, and you helped her,
Right.
that she is free of it now.
And this is what I want to do to every woman in the world, madam.
Yes, sir.
Every woman.
Yes.
Because especially Indian women, they don't get help from any divine.
Yeah.
You don't go to temple, you can't go. Imagine
Yeah.
Kali Mata is coming and disturbing you.
Yeah.
Supposed to
मैं
help
वहाँ
you.
पे कभी गई भी, never I
Yeah, she's never gone there.
Never gone there, never.
We were shocked when you told
Yeah,
us.
you
also.
told.
We were wondering where is Kali Mata, and then we realized, oh, in that 2 lanes ahead,
Yeah.
3 lanes
2
ahead.
lane away,
Yeah.
just around
इवन
here.
मैं डेली वहाँ से वो जो काली माता का जहाँ मंदिर है ना, मेरा डेली नहीं होता है वहाँ से, साल में वो भी एक महीना फिक्स रहता है, वो मंथ में ही वो रोड से मैं पास होती है, अदरवाइज नहीं, वो भी 4-5 दिन या 3-4 दिन साल में, अदरवाइज वो वे मेरा है ही नहीं.
So she's saying that she used to not even go every day. It used to happen like once in a blue moon. So it's once in a blue moon, barely you used to go. So then too it happened, and it happened so strong that she used to suffer a lot. Even during my wedding, she was suffering.
Huh.
Yeah. In my wedding, she had to imagine in that heavy clothes.
From
with that.
engagement to her wedding, मेरी बेटी की
Yeah, 7 months, madam. Of
Yeah.
course. Engagement wedding around that time.
सगाई उसकी अप्रैल एंड 30 अप्रैल को थी 2017, और उसका मैरिज था 28 नवंबर 2017. वो एंगेजमेंट से मैरिज तक भी मेरा ब्लीडिंग वही चालू था, वही 7 मंथ्स, वही बिग सेप्टिमल पिन ऑफ 20.
So
Then I'm
sad.
free of.
So
Yeah,
sad.
now she's free. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Siva sir.
thank you,
Thank you,
thank you.
PVH.